Howdy everybody, my name is Harley Reg McDaniel Jr. and welcome to podcast number 23, where we welcome all seekers of truth in science and optimal health. For the next several podcasts, we're going to continue to talk about a series of published studies in the Fisher Proceedings Journal involving human studies by doctors and solid information about complementary medicine. Finishing volume 1, number 2 on page 9, we learn some of the core reasons of the importance of glyconutritional products. The practical significance of all this research is this. The staff at Fisher Institute of Medical Research believe the following. Not long ago, infectious disease were thought to be conquered by a wide array of antibiotics, once called magic bullets. The war against the cause of disease was pronounced over. Recently, medicine is seeing increasing number of resistant bacteria and viruses that are indifferent to potent medications and challenge the best agents the organic chemistry laboratory can make. The proactive role of nutrition in fighting infection is as old as life itself. However, only recently has the role of micronutrients been recognized scientifically as essential for animal tissue and defensive cells to fight infectious organisms and return balance at the cellular level. What this means to me, based on my decades of experience, and I'm talking about Reg McDaniel, is that when you are at optimal health, also known as homeostasis, there is no existence of any diseases known to man. And based on what I have personally seen with my clients, the body has the ability to reverse over 1,000 deviations from normal when given the proper building blocks, called optimal nutrition, which even included over 50 genetic disorders. So Ascend Sciences International has one product of 3 currently to give those results previously spoken of. We don't mention the names of the products a lot at this time to avoid making any claims, so you'll need to get with the individual who told you about my podcast to see if you want to pursue this any further and know more. You owe it to yourself to check it out thoroughly, because you can make an educated decision when you have the information. Being grown to maturation on the vine in volcanic rich soil is the secret to Ascend Sciences' success, with the key and principal ingredient trademarked as lumen aloe. It is the base with 14 other proprietary ingredients. I'll mention one, which is the Dioscorea plant. Kind of like a sweet potato, yet there are over 800 species, and only 8 of those species work with the endocrine system. The other 792 will not function in any way with that system in your body. So products from Ascend Sciences International will provide better quality of life, and in many cases the deviation from normal is no longer a part of your life. Even if you have learned to live with it for decades, it's like restoring an old car. Runs just like it used to after restoration. Well, we're all out of time again today, so if you want to cut to the chase, ask the person who invited you to my podcast about how to get involved with these incredible products and get the answers to your questions so that you can make an educated decision whether to be involved with this company or not. And I hope you will share my podcast with your friends, because I only provide scientifically proven, life-changing, and life-saving information that has been published by medical doctors and health professionals every single time. Next time we'll talk about another study on high-performance athletes, as well as other information. To close, I wish to end with a Quaker parable by John Greenleaf Whittier. I lift thee and thee lift me, and together we ascend. See y'all next time.